Donna de Vigna, caro. How are you? Huh? I just put up the picture the other day. Look, how are you? How's everybody? How are you? Good, good. Hello, how are you? Paulie Gee?
Paulie Gee della Paulie Gee Pizzeria.
No Polio, right?
No. With Donna Carmela. I'm so happy to be here with
That's
this.
Papa, the way he called me.
Donna Carmela.
And I used to call him Don Vincenzo.
Yes. One of the best and oldest pastry
I love
shops
that
here.
man.
Tell us about your pastry shop.
Oh, he loved my lobster tail.
Yep, my father would nuts. So he would come all the way from Long Island City for a lobster tail. You haven't had a lobster tail till you had her lobster tail.
With cream or cannoli cream?
Whatever you want.
Either way.
Yeah.
Custard too.
Yeah. Custard's the best.
Did I ever tell you how nice your
Stop
eyes are?
looking at me!
Did I tell you that?
So tell him how amazing, just tell him how amazing how many years you've been here and how you make all the real.
Oh, yes.
She makes the real authentic.
In fact, when she opened up her place,
yes.
we went there with one of my bakers. We did it there in our oven.
Yes.
Yeah?
To
It was
learn.
nice.
To learn
I'm
how
out
to do
there
it.
to help everybody.
She's
Because
always
that
been
comes
good.
back to you.
She's been so good to so many people,
Yes.
generations upon
That's true.
generations. All the pastry shops that started here started after this. She's
It's
one
a
of the
1983 I'm here. But I know Gianna when she was a little girl. You're right on that.
Oh, look at that. That's you?
Yeah?
Wow.
In, look, I made a front page of the New York Times. Marching a Columbus parade. I was not getting married.
What year was that?
19...
It looks like you're getting married.
No, where's my husband?
Oh, it's
Not
right
there.
on there. 1983.
Yeah.
Wow.
everything's made on premise, everything's made in house. There's a huge
Go,
kitchen
can we
in
get
the
some
back.
service, please?
Want that map
So that's nice to reconnect with you after so many years.
I know.
When you walked in the door, did she know you were coming in?
Right away, no. I
said,
did not know.
Alan
She had no idea. She saw my face over there.
I said, I'm bringing you a special friend.
Oh, and you gave her a hint. Yeah.
No, but I do not
A
know it was
lobster
her.
tail. What kind of lobster tail you want? With what? Cream or
Vanilla
cannoli
custard.
cream?
You want the little one or the
Custard.
big one?
Custard.
The
Little
one?
one, please.
Just a taste.
Oh my God, so good. This is why you're here today. And tomorrow's my name day. Okay?
Questo è babbo.
Non mi fai gli anni, eh?
No, mi ha dato babbo. Picture with the Donna Carmela.
Hang on. Oh, look at that. Oh, hold on. There you go.
Thank you to Donna Carmelo here at Giulio's on Arthur Avenue in the Bronx. Paulie Gee, what do you got to say?
I'm speechless.
You what?
Flavors of New York.
Flavors in New York. Thank you for Flavors in New York.
Because you were eating. Your mouth was full. Hello, sir.